Hey guys, it's Carrie. Fish are vertebrate animals. Their spinal cord is surrounded by bone or cartilage. Their gills extract oxygen from the water around them. Fish are covered in scales, which are often covered in a layer of slime to help their movement through the water. Pleuroceras is a genus of Ammonite from the lower Jurassic period. Fossils have been found in Canada, Europe, and the United Kingdom. Nautilus pompilius, or simply the chambered nautilus. They have a pair of rhinophores located near each eye, which detect chemicals and use olfaction and chemotaxis to find their food. Red-eared slider turtle. They are almost entirely aquatic, but as they are cold-blooded, they leave the water to sunbathe to regulate their temperature. Blue shark. They are light-bodied with long pectoral fins. Like many other sharks, blue sharks are counter-shaded. The top of the body is deep blue, light on the sides and white underneath. The blue shark is oceanic and epipelagic, found worldwide in deep temperate and tropical waters from the surface to about 350 meters. King crab are a taxon of crab-like decapod crustaceans. Because of their large size and the taste of their meat, many species are widely caught and sold as food. Sally Lightfoot crab. The young ones are black or dark brown and camouflage well on the black lava coasts of the Galapagos volcanic islands. Blue crab. Crabs walk and swim sideways. The males are bright blue in colour with white spots and with characteristically long chelipeds. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Spiny lobster. They have a slightly compressed carapace, lacking any lateral ridges. They live in rock crevices and coral reefs, only occasionally venturing out at night to seek food. Moray eel. They rely mostly on their highly developed sense of smell, lying in wait to ambush prey. Weedy sea dragon. The females lay around 120 eggs onto the brood patch located on the underside of the male's tail. Reef squid. They are easily recognizable by their large rounded fins that extend almost the entire length of their mantles. Ammonite. The earliest ammonites appeared during the Devonian, and the last species vanished in the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event. Sailfish. The sail is normally kept folded when swimming and raised only when the sailfish attacks their prey. They are one of the fastest marine animals. Seahorse. They propel themselves by using small fins on their back and steer with pectoral fins either side of their head. Largemouth bass is carnivorous. The male makes a nest using the rocky and weedy bottoms. After a female is found, the two bass swim around the nest together, turning their bodies so that the eggs and sperm that are being released will come in contact on the way down to the nest. The male guards the nest. Mammals like sea lions, seals, and walruses are called pinnipeds as they have winged feet. Sperm whale. They are named after the waxy substance, spermaceti, found in their heads. The spermaceti is an oil sac that helps the whales focus sound. It used to be used in oil lamps and for lubricants and candles. The sperm whale is a pelagic mammal with a worldwide range and will migrate seasonally for feeding and breeding. Females and young males live together in groups, while the mature males, the bulls, live solitary lives outside of the mating season. A mature sperm whale has few natural predators, although calves and weakened adults are sometimes killed by pods of killer whales. The S-shaped blowhole is located very close to the front of the head and to the whale's left. This gives rise to a distinctive bushy forward-angled spray. Pygmy sperm whale are small, robust whales with a distinctive underslung jaw. Not unlike sharks, they have the shortest rostrum amongst cetaceans. Humpback whale. The female has a hemispherical lobe about 15 centimeters in diameter in her genital region. This visually distinguishes males and females. The male's penis usually remains hidden in the genital slit. Humpbacks feed in polar waters and migrate to tropical or subtropical waters to breed and give birth, fasting and living off their fat reserves. Basking shark. It is a slow-moving filter feeder. It has a greatly enlarged mouth and highly developed gill rakers. Although it is large and slow, it can breach, jumping entirely out of the water. This behavior could be an attempt to dislodge parasites or commensals. It may also be a display of size and strength. Megalodon was one of the largest and most powerful predators to have ever lived. They had a massive bite force and their teeth were thick and robust, built for grabbing prey and breaking bone. Killer whale. They are top-level carnivores. Goblin shark. They have semi-translucent skin, and the pink colour is due to visible blood vessels beneath the skin. Grey whale. They are often hosts to dense infestations of skin parasites, which gives their skin a rough and motley appearance. During the breeding season, it is common for females to have several mates. Males also show seasonal changes, with an increase in size to their testes, which correlates with the time females undergo estrus. This mammal is descended from filter-feeding whales that appeared at the beginning of the Oligocene over 30 million years ago. They have two blowholes on top of their head. Great white shark bare their teeth and roll their eyes back into their heads when they attack, putting the shark's jaw and teeth into the best attack position and at the same time protecting their eyes from claws and barbs. Great white sharks are ovoviviparous, which means eggs develop and hatch in the uterus and continue to develop until birth. Great whites attack by propelling themselves at their prey with great speed. They take a single massive bite and drag their victims down into deeper water. Then they let go and the victim bleeds to death before being eaten. They are found in coastal surface waters in every major ocean and can swim in water only 3 feet deep. To attract a mate, they sometimes do what is called pattern breach. They propel 2/3 of their body out of the water and land flat against the surface, causing a large splash. Kemp's Ridley hatchling. They reach maturity between 7 and 15 years of age. Anglerfish. They are bony fish, named for their characteristic mode of predation in which a modified luminescent fin acts as a lure for other fish. Coelacanths. They are nocturnal piscivores that feed mainly on benthic smaller fish and various cephalopods. They are passive drift feeders. Angel shark. Their unique features are the rounded tip of the nose, the 7 gills instead of 5, and only 1 dorsal fin. Anomalocaris. They are extinct. They are distantly related to modern-day arthropods, including crabs and lobsters. Cuperoceras was a genus of nautiloid cephalopod from the Permian period that resembled a spiny ammonite. Cretoxebrina was one of the largest sharks and a formidable predator in the late Cretaceous seas. Crocodile. They eat mainly fish, turtles, birds, and other small animals. They capture water animals in their jaws with a sideways motion. They seize land animals by the feet and drag them towards the water. After crocodiles mate, the female lays eggs. Some types can lay up to more than 100 eggs. Green sea turtle. They are one of the world's largest species of turtle, weighing between 65 and 130 kilograms. Hermit crab. Hatchlings are born in the water and remain there for a time. They molt up to 6 times to reach full crab form. Humpback calf. Ichthyosaurus. They used their fins for swimming. They lived in the sea and were incapable of returning to land. Their tails had a large crescent-shaped fin. Leatherback turtle. The leatherback shell is leathery. It feels almost rubbery. Liopleurodon was a large species of pliosaur. It was an apex predator in the Upper Jurassic seas around 160 to 155 million years ago. It grew to about 6.5 meters and it was a relative of Pliosaurus and Kronosaurus. Lobster. They have 2 big claws and 8 walking legs. Megalodon ruled the seas from about 17 million years ago up to almost 3 million years ago. This colossal predator reached lengths of up to 20 meters. The only marine animal ever to outweigh the massive megalodon is the blue whale, which weighs up to 200 tons, which would be just more than double the size of megalodon. Its jaws could open wide enough to swallow 2 adults standing side by side. Giant squid. Along with their cousin the colossal squid, they have beach ball-sized eyes. Their eyes are the largest eyes in the animal kingdom and are about 10 inches or 25 centimeters in diameter. Their big eyes help them to spy objects in the dark depths where most of them live. Blue-ringed octopus. They are usually nocturnal, emerging at night to hunt crustaceans and small fish. The brightly coloured rings are a warning to would-be predators. Blue sea dragon swallows air bubbles that allow it to float on the ocean surface upside down. So the interesting blue and white colour is actually the bottom side of the blue dragon. Seahorse, they come in many colours, varying from grey, orange, brown, yellow, red and black. Shrimp, they will eat algae, dead and living plants, worms, fish, snails and other dead shrimp. Cuttlefish, Crustaceans, Basilosaurus, Basilisk, Octopus baby, Sea star, Kronosaurus, Mosasaurus, Axolotl, Emperor penguin and chick. Horseshoe crab, Nautilus, Ammonite pleuroceras, Ammonite prevatoceras, Orthoceras, Belemnite, Trilobite, Zephactinus, Helicoprion, Sea elephant, Manatee, Sea lion, largemouth bass, salmon, piranha, sailfish, red-eared slider turtle, goblin sharks. Narwhal, Weedy sea dragon, pufferfish, koi, axolotl. These Mexican salamanders are amphibians that spend their whole life underwater. They are able to regenerate lost body parts. Piranha, their strong jaws hold sharp triangular teeth that meet in a scissor-like bite. Hawksbill turtle, they have a pointed beak which resembles those of birds. Females return to the same nesting grounds where they were born to lay their eggs. Right whale, they are baleen whales with bow-shaped lower jaw and a head that is up to 1/4 of the body length. They measure up to 18 meters in length. Sperm whale, they have the largest brain of any living animal. The longest recorded dive for a sperm whale was in excess of 2 hours. Swordfish, they prefer shallow coastal waters and even swim in freshwater river systems. Swordfish eat fish and crustaceans. The saw is key to catching and killing prey, in addition to its use as a weapon or digging tool. The saw, or the rostrum, has small pores that can detect electric fields produced by prey. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.